Hello, 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 parents. This is Mrs.Jerome-Severe coming with another video. This video again is for the primary students who are learning how to read, or if you have a second grader that don't know how to read, they're missing their foundational skills. So this is a foundational skills that all students must know. This is for a kindergartner who does not know how to read. This is a foundational skills that they need to know. And if you have a first grader that doesn't know how to read, this is a foundational skills. Or any child that doesn't know how to read, this is a foundational skills they must master in order for them to know how to read. So let's go. Parents, bonsoir, bonsoir, parents. Mieux c'est Mrs.Jerome-Severe qui j'ennuyais. Et mes vidéos ça, c'est une vidéo côté la montrer Timonio qui j'en pour former bouche yo lait à faire son lecture. Ça c'est une fondation qui est très important pour Timonio connaître parce que ça fait Timonio pas qu'on lit, c'est parce que fondation ça yo pas connaît li, so kounya là yo pas qu'on qui j'en pour yo mettre son yo ensemble pour yo faire vivre un mot. So mes amis, ça c'est une fondation que tout le monde besoin, même ou même qui comme qui besoin qu'on anglais ou besoin qu'on fondation ça tout. So on nous aller, so make sure ti moun yo gade vidéo. On nous aller. So this video will demonstrate how the kids will put their mouth together, encourage them to put their lips the way they see it, make the sound the way they hear it, and then they will see the picture that's corresponded with it. Do not encourage them to make the the ooh. No, do not encourage them. So please pay attention to the way your children are forming the sounds. Mes amis, par mieux vidéo ça, a montré ti moun yo ki jan pou yo former bouche yo pour chaque lettre et puis comme ça pour yo et puis y a besoin de photo qui affilié à lecture. Encourager ti moun yo pour yo pas faire pour yo pas mettre voyelle dans son yo côté y a dit ah ma ça non. Encourager yo pour yo pas faire ça. Et mais en nous aller pour nous connaître qui jan ti moun yo pas faire son bouche yo qui jan pral ranger bouche yo pour yo connaître son alphabet yo. So let's go parents, let's see how the children should form their lips so they know how to make the sound properly. A is apple. A, A, A. A is for apple. A, A, A. B is for bicycle. B, B, B. B is for bicycle. B, B, B. C is for cake. K, K, K. C is for cake. K, K, K. D is for dog. D, D, D. D is for dog. D, D, D. E is for elephant. E, E, E. E is for elephant. E, E, E. F is for fish. F, F, F. F is for fish. F, F, F. G is for guitar. G, G, G. G is for guitar. G, G, G. H is for house. H is for house. I is for iguana. I, I, I. I is for iguana. I, I, I. J is for jump. J, J, J. J is for jump. J, J, J. K is for kite. K, K, K. K is for kite. K, K, K. L is for lion. L is for lion. M is for milk. Mm, mm, mm. M is for milk. Mm, mm, mm. N is for neck. Mm, mm, mm. N is for neck. Mm, mm, mm. O is for octopus. Ah. 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 P is for pumpkin. P is for pumpkin. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. S is for sun. T is for turtle. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. Uh, uh, uh. U is for umbrella. Uh, uh. V is for vase. V is for vase. W is for watermelon. W is for watermelon. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. Y is for yo-yo. You. Y is for yo-yo. You. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Z. Well, thank you for watching again. Parents, merci d'être que nous t'ai gardé. So, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, pablier, accordé sur channel là. Remember, in order for your child to be able to learn the letters, you have to practice every day. They have to practice every day. Pouti moun yo kon let yo, ki jan yo fè son yo, they have to practice every day. Remember, well, Miss Jerome, my child knows her letters already. Well, why does she need to know this? She need to know how to say them properly. Men she wan pitit mwen kon let yo deja. Pou ki sa, pou ma fè sa. Li important pou ti moun yo kon fè son an bien. Parce que si ti moun nan pa kon ki jan pou fè son an bien, li pa jam kon li. So it's important that they know how to make the right sound so later on they could learn how to read. Every letter sounds put together make a word. Tout son met ensemble fait yon mot. Si ou di yon son ki pa bien fait, li pa yon mot. If you make a sound, if you're trying to read a word and you put the wrong sound, it's not a word. And then your child will never be able to learn how to read. That's why we have a lot of children don't know how to read. You know, according to research, by first grade, all children should be able to how to read. But I have children in my second grade class that don't know how to read. It's because of the foundational. Mwen pil ti moun, tout ti moun ta dwe kon li. Ale rive à l'âge de 6 ans, tout ti moun ta dwe kon li. Men an pil ti moun ki vin nan deuxième année nan klas mwen, yo pa kon ki jan pou yo li, e pose yo pa gen fondasyonal lan. Ti moun ki nan 5e année yo, ti moun nan high school yo, ti moun ki pa kon li yo, se fondasyon yo pa gen. The kids that don't know how to read, the third graders, the fifth graders, the high schoolers, the middle schoolers, they don't know how to read because of foundational skills. Lack of foundational skills. Yo manke kon fondasyon yo. So, a cause yo pa kon fondasyon yo, fundamental fondasyon yo, so kounya yo pa kali. So, that's all I have for you, parents. Don't forget to subscribe, and then, so when I send out the new videos, so you guys could get them to help the kids. Remember, education is the golden key to open. Education is the key to freedom. The education, c'est clé pour qu'il porte freedom. Freedom veut dire, qui j'avais dit freedom en créole? Um, oh my God. Freedom veut dire, oh, m'bliye. So freedom veut dire, ou pas nan esclave, ou gen liberté, meni. So éducation, c'est porte qui, c'est clé qui ouvre porte liberté. C'est just ça m'daka mettez seulement. Education is the key that opens the door for freedom. So please, please give your child that key. If you help your child learning these things, you are opening door that no man can shut. So s'ouvri, so de ti moun yo, sa wap ouvri pot pou ti moun yo, gen pot l'homme pa ka fermer. Pot bon Dieu ouvri l'homme pa ka fermer. That's all I have for you guys. Have a wonderful day.